If you're having a hard time expressing yourself clearly, then this video is for you. So I have been known for being the quiet girl all my life. My mind talks endlessly, but when it's time to actually speak up, nga, hindi naman pwedeng laging ganon kasi paano naman ako maiintindihan, di ba? So here are the ways that help me express myself clearly. Number 1, use metaphors and analogies. Instead of giving an explanation that your listeners won't remember, use metaphors and analogies to create vivid imagery that will walk them through their imagination. For example, instead of saying, "We should work together to achieve our goals," say something similar to this. We're like different instruments in an orchestra. Alone we make noise, but together we make music. Number 2, ask the listener to tell you what they understood. To ensure that the person you're talking to fully grasps what you have just said, ask them what they understood. That way, you'll bridge the gaps with your communication and avoid misinterpretation. Number 3, record yourself. One of the reasons why I created an account here is to keep track of how I speak so I can pinpoint the areas where I can improve. So if you're struggling with communication, you can try vlogging as a way of practice. In expressing yourself, it's important to clarify your thoughts first before speaking because a cluttered speech reflects a cluttered mind.